Back to Product Zone, we're gonna unbox and test out this amazing pet drinking water fountain for cats and dog. Easy to set up, comes with a nice pump, comes with filter, comes with every single thing you need to have your clean, safe water pet fountain. Let's take everything out from this box, nicely packed and neat. So this is not plastic, this is a stainless steel. If you're gonna buy a water fountain for your animals, I highly recommend and suggest you go with a stainless steel. It's easier to clean. It does not get moldy or all that plastic green stuff, whatever the plastic one had. I had a plastic one, and trust me, I end up with that kind of problem. So we're gonna open up. Oh, we got a lot of stuff in here. So you can see we got over here to hold our filter. Beautiful, nice looking fountain right here. And it's nice. It's not too big, it's not too small. It's just perfect for your cats and dogs. And in here we probably have, this is all the pump. Okay, so we have the pump and we have the USB to plug that in. Also have an instruction, and I'm gonna go through this really fast. We have here is a cleaning tool, sponge, and a whole bunch of stuff to clean it. Highly recommend at least once a month or something, clean it. Really good filters are 12 piece. Look at the layers. It'll catch all the hairs and the debris and all that stuff. So it's really, really good overall. For price and details on this or any filters, replacement or everything, check in the description box. Always, this product has good review on Amazon. And I gotta tell you something, I'm impressed with this already. I love stainless steel. I have 2 cats, 2 dogs. So this is the pump right here. It shows you right here is a spot. They send a lot of this sponge for the filter for the pump that goes into the front part right here. This just pulls apart, and you could adjust from max to minimum, depends on the level of the speed pump, which is pretty awesome. Never had that option. Now if we look at the cover here, right, this is the cover here. You turn it around, we got this part right here. This is where we're gonna put our filter. So I'm assuming our filter goes like that. We'll close it down. See, we got a nice filter there. So that's gonna come like this inside. So this part will hook to that part when we filled it up. So we got a bunch of filters right here. So that's pretty good. I love that. We're gonna fill this up with water, plug this in. They also send an extra part of this for the bottom right here, just in case. See that bottom right here? They sent an extra part. They sent a lot of extra stuff. So I placed it right in the corner and I plugged it in. You can see how beautiful it is. Listen, I'm gonna tell you right now, not a noise. The pump is very silent. It pushes out the water there. It fills this hole so the cats or the dogs could drink from the top, or they could drink from the bottom in here, and then the water flushes through, right through the filter right here. It goes through the filter and catch everything, any kind of debris, cat hair, dog hair, and anything, stuff like that. The extension cord is long, so we could run it wherever we want, but this thing is beautiful. Look at that. It's gorgeous. It's small. It's perfect. It fits amazing. Stainless steel is the best quality. This will last you for years. You just got to make sure you take care of it, clean it once a month or something like that at least. And I got to tell you, change the filter and nothing will wrong with this. This thing is incredible. Stainless steel is the way to go. Silence pump, really nice, and I love that they give a lot of extra replacement filters and cleaning everything for it. It's incredible overall in my experience. As an animal lover, I loved it. I give this a thumbs up. I have no problem so far. It's good. The cats and dogs will drink from this when they come by. Normally you can't force the cats and dogs. They will come by, they will check it out and let them drink and do their own stuff.